Hello everybody, hola, buenos dias, bonjour tout le monde. Today I have for you a very nice, cozy villa located in Calpe, Costa Blanca, Spain. It's located in a very quiet urbanization and very green. As you can see, many trees around here. And a day like today in August, where it's 33 degrees, it's always nice to bring some cooling. The house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, an on-swimming pool, and air conditioning everywhere. Okay, let's take a look inside. The house goes from one street to the other street, so there are 2 entrances. You can choose which one is the front or the back side. It's difficult to say. So here you have an infinity pool or a borderless pool. And a nice barbecue area, also with a separate pizza oven. Outside sofa and dining table. Even the television is outside today. So the plot goes till there, till the other road, and there you have the entrance where you can park 2 cars inside. Also a little room to get rid of all the garden equipment, always very handy. So this is the entrance through the garden. This is the dining area inside, which leads us to the kitchen. Kitchen with an island. Well, the floors are all done. It's nice renovated, the villa, has air conditioning everywhere. Then here there is an extra living room. First bedroom. Second bedroom for the kids. And a bathroom with a shower. Nice spacious shower. And then the master bedroom with another ensuite bathroom. Ensuite bathroom also has a shower, very spacious shower, very comfortable. It's all renovated, so you can come with your suitcases and step in immediately. You don't need to change anything if you don't want to. And this is this is the front door, which leads us to the back door. Backside entrance of the house, where you have parking space. Also a room for washing machines, that's always handy. So here you can enter the property with the car. Even space for motorbikes and bicycles. If you like the video so far, then please smash the thumbs up button below. And if you would like to watch more videos about houses for sale or for rent, then please hit that subscribe button. It helps out my channel and my business. Thank you very much. If you are an owner and you would like to sell your property, then please leave a message below and I will contact you and we can sell your property too. Thank you very much for watching. Merci beaucoup. Dankeschön. Spasiba, siese und krop und krap. And I hope you find the right property. See you next time. Bye bye.